Hey guys, Mike with Lava Integration here once again. Going to show you something a little cool today. We're going to show you the difference between a big box store install and a Lava Integration install. We're going to take what they've already done. We're going to move some things around a little bit. You see we've got speakers here and a center channel. These should go up by the TV. Center channel should go underneath. We're going to make that happen today. All these wires that are back here, we're going to make all that disappear. It's going to be a really clean install. Stick around, it's going to get really cool. Okay, so one of the things we're going to be doing for this client is he wants to cut the cord, which basically means he wants to get rid of his cable boxes and or direct TV boxes. So we've removed the direct TV box from here. We're going to be replacing it with a Roku. Roku is very compatible with Control 4, which is the operating system that we use at Lava Integration. So we'll be able to give him on his remote a watch option for Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, all of that stuff, even YouTube TV, which is what service he's going to be using when he cuts the cord. We'll show you how it works in just a little bit. Hey everybody, the guys did a great job. They've got it all hooked up. They've got everything set. We've got the speakers mounted on the wall, so they're not just sitting on top of this glass table. All the wiring's all cleaned up. They actually added a network switch here so we can hardwire all of your components, that your TV, the Roku, the receiver, everything's hardwired to the internet. So that way, more connectivity, more secured, and we don't have to worry about the wireless dropping out. Guys did a fantastic job. We can do the same thing for you if you've got a cluster down there you want to get rid of, or if you've had another company that may have come and you're not quite happy with the way they did it, we can come and help. Give us a call, 757-716-7828. Let us help connect your home and make it your home again. Have a great day.